Hello and welcome to the Daily Self Love Podcast. I'm your host CS Neha Bajaj, and today's topic is a very crucial one. Are you gaslighting yourself? Now, before we begin, let me help you understand this term gaslighting, what it really means. So, gaslighting means to manipulate someone by psychological means into doubting their own sanity. You are manipulating someone psychologically to such an extent that it has a deeper impact on that person's sanity, that has a deeper impact on that person's mind. And what if you yourself are doing this to your own self? If you are doing the self gaslighting. It is a very real psychological abuse tactic that can become so deeply internalized. You may begin to believe it as your own truth, but know that it is not your truth. Know that your thoughts and emotions are valid and you have the right to express them. Now, what are the signs if you are gaslighting yourself? Just listen to it. Listen to when you say, maybe it wasn't actually that bad. My trauma isn't real trauma. Oh, I'm being over dramatic again. I know they love me. They didn't mean it like that. It's always my fault. I'm not worth it. I should be over this by now. I'm just being a baby about the whole thing. Maybe it's just all in my head. I deserve to be treated this way. Any sentence that you could relate to? That you have ever said to yourself? Any one sentence. And is it like a conscious loop that you are saying this sentence over and over and over again? Or maybe a couple of sentences? That's gaslighting, my friend. You are self-sabotaging yourself, nothing else. It's something which you have internalized now. It's the way you are living. It's the way you have accepted that, yes, this is the truth. This is the truth of your life. But then, trust me, it's not. Every single human being on this earth who is on an ethical path, who is living a life of honesty and integrity, deserves being self-loved, deserves the trust, the honesty from others and from themselves. So if someone is putting this pressure on you, if someone is putting this psychological impact on you, and now you have programmed yourself like this, start changing. Start changing. Because there is no way that you could be an honest person and still not showing up for yourself. You have to. You have to. Alright? I'm not giving any medical advice over here. I'm not a medical practitioner. So this is only from a perspective of a mentor who is so deeply committed to help you realize what really matters in life. Maybe those issues, those problems, those traumas, as you termed as, those issues which you seem so big to have in your life, just think about it. If what's your life is going to be a year ahead, if this particular thing is being a problem to you right now. Oftentimes what happens is, there is this small issue that's occurring again and again, and we think, oh, this is the end of everything, we are only going to be surrounded ourselves with these problems, with these issues. That's not the case. The moment you allow yourself to actually start living the life you want, trust me, these small issues will seem literally small to you, because life matters. Time matters. Your happiness matters to you. So do that. Do not do disservice to your inner self, to your gifts, to your values that you have for anything else in the world. With this, I'll sign off for now. See you in the next episode. Do share the podcast with your friends, among your network, anyone who you think could get help from listening to my podcast. Connect with me, and as I always say, I'm available on most of the social media platforms. Please do connect with me. Send a DM. You could send me a voice message as well. I've put all the links in the description. So make sure to check that out and connect with me. Till next time, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay self-loved. Bye-bye.